2/3 of Americans don't have a will or plan. Here's exactly what happens to their stuff. When you die without a will or plan, the state has a default plan for you called intestacy laws, and it's probably not what you'd want. Let's say you're married with 2 kids, you die without a will. Does your spouse get everything? Nope. In most states, your spouse gets somewhere between 1/3, like here in Georgia, to 1/2. Your kids split the rest. So your spouse, who you've been married to for 20 years, suddenly has to share your assets with your children. If your kids are minors, a court-appointed guardian manages their share. But here's where it gets messy. Let's say you have a house worth $400,000 with your spouse. Under intestacy, your kids now own part of that house. Your spouse might have to buy them out or sell the house to split the proceeds. Now, let's say you're single with no kids. Who gets your stuff? Your parents? Even if you haven't spoken to them in a decade? Even if you wanted everything to go to your best friend or your partner who you've been with for years? Intestacy laws don't recognize boyfriends, girlfriends, or friends, only legal family relationships. And if you have no living relatives at all, your estate goes to the state. The government gets everything you worked for. It's called escheatment, and it happens more than you think. And the process? It takes 6 months to 2 years. Your assets are frozen that whole time. Your family pays 3 to 7% of your estate value in legal fees and court costs. Plus, everything becomes public record. Anyone can look up what you owned and who got what. A will costs $500 to $1,500 and avoids all of this. You control who gets what. You name guardians for kids. You choose your executor. You keep everything private and fast. 67% of people are planning to let the state make these decisions for them. Don't be one of them.